turn up now, Miss Young. Fuck down, girl, man. Tell me you. Yo, you want some girl, man.
Dog, you know, say you got to come and drink last 6 shots of road and bread.
Girl, me want you see.
I even know my frost out right now to the ass, but you see me later. Yo, that man today, so yo, I'm on, if you hear me after this, and the man says everything.
Oh, you mean pocket of the fat and girl, then?
Oh, you mean? Yo, hear me and say, I book me a pre-nut dog. We know a man like big and a cut that. I'm not saying that. No,
school girl listen teacher talk. Who no skirt nothing make so short. Don't break on no mother's heart. How you feel one breed and your life no start. Sex and no something for your run down. Let me know you a say your parent. But you still is a child. You're not ready for no child. Just be a good girl. Don't be bad.
I want to sweet you so. Listen, you see me a pass? Don't touch me again, here. Listen me, I'm going to get watch your eat at forward from.
No fight no for nobody, but we respect everybody, and we better than everybody.
I'm not gonna do you tonight, sir. Yo!
No boy no better than me. No boy no better than me. Step on the card and say, run the father and son can say.
No, we are.
Yo, send that over here, send this one again now, let's say. Yeah, that's my protection. Yo, you can't do much. Long time, man. You want somebody show me the thing in my ear. Wow. Bit better than that, man. Come better than that, man. No more shotty. Yo, hit that, man. Yo, dick, man, I come better than that, man. I hit me, say me have, man. Sir? No more, boss.
perfect. Like me. Yo, every morning, mommy, they put my case, you know. Every morning, yo, this pants thing, if I can't wear skirt, go to school. Follow the rules, like, if I told boy, put the shit out. Yo, I'm not like it, you know, every minute, yo, for real. Next time, I wear more, wear, don't it? Yo, my girl. Yo, chat to me, brother.
You do the things, me love. Me never see a girl when me love so much. Pink are your favorite color, baby, but
talk some foreign language though.
Yeah.
That way it's can we go?
Hi, baby. Yo, Miss Tina, babe.
Mr. Tina, babe.
My man, 3 months is too long.
Tell them man.
Never for some show, you know.
For real?
me love you, and me a feel wife you. And your body give me the vibe too. Me too, and your heart and your body are the right crew. Them apart together right through. No black me out of your life, I better you try blue. No the color but I wear me like.
Students with their incorrect uniform, please go on that side of the class. Good morning, Miss. Just have a seat. Miss Bot, just go and sit down. Good morning, class. My name is Mrs. Dillon. This is the first day of school, and this is how you guys are behaving. You guys have CSC examination. This is the first day of school. How you guys behave? Let me say this again. Students with their incorrect uniform, please go to that side of the class. Hold on, Julia, I want to talk to you.
Come off of my shoes, man. I want it. Hey, girl. Come clean my shoes. Clean it off. You mean for them say you walk past and say I step on my shoes? Okay. Bend down. Bend down.
I've never seen a diamond in the flesh. I cut my teeth on wedding rings in the movies, and I'm not proud of my address. In a torn up town,
Do you have to do something?
but every song's like gold teeth, grey goose dripping in the bathroom, bloodstains, ball gowns, trash in the hotel room. We don't care.
Hello? Hello?
But everybody's like crystal, maybe back time.
You know, say I look too bad. I just want to care. When I'm there, I'll take care of your hair.
True.
Yo, you have a mash of mission right now. Where there for? There's something I like about it. Baby girl, you looking rather sexy. Can I buy you a patty and a bottle of Pepsi? I wouldn't resist if you try to undress me. Me are the thief, you are the cop. Baby girl, rest me.
You're full of lyrics, see? Especially the part boy, you're the thief and me are the cop.
Me a thief for real, you know, baby.
Eh?
Really, yeah, man, me a thief, man. Me thief, you get anything you want. Clothes, food, jewelry, anything. Panty, brassiere, anything, baby. Me thief it for you. Ear, anything I want.
You serious?
Right now, mother ask you for your phone number, but I already have it. Me all have your phone to you, see it.
How you have my phone?
But thief it forget your attention because you thief something from me first.
Me? I'm gonna possibly thief from you.
The thief my heart, baby. Later, baby. Text you later, here. Boss. James Bond, come in.
Yo, come in man. That's some country crushing up. Yo, my yo, I crush me, I go crush them boy, and not itching thing in a post.
Yo, nigga we can call her that. Yo, I go show up Jonah dog.
Yo, I can do this myself now, man.
Make him not doing thing, man. Give man a chance, man. Hey, the fan, man. You alone can't play up. I want you, man. You alone can't match up. So I want the next man. Yo, Joe. Yo, Joe.
Yo, dog, go on.
No, dog, lick. How are you, man? Yo, man, deep like puss.
Yo, crush her in there, man.
Bag Joseph. Bag Joseph.
How long the Joseph?
No money. No money.
5 hours, no money. What do I deal with?
School and everything, you know, says a bag Joseph was still, but yeah, no money.
Alright, let's see a word. Joseph.
I want a juice in my yard. No money.
Bro.
You know the money. Post.
Yo, I'm soon forward there. I soon come back.
Yo, my love, my shell on your boy. Yo,